The daily code snippet. One of the attributes for the image element is SRC, source. The source attribute defines the file path so the browser can find your image to load it into the web page. Sometimes writing a correct file path becomes a stumbling block for new coders. When you are going into a folder or down a level, you add a / before the folder name, except for the first folder. When you are going out of the folder or up a level, you add a .. You always make the path relative to your current position. So in this example, to get from the index.html page to the image.jpg file, you would write assets / images / image.jpg. But to go to the same file from the page.html file that is in the pages folder, you would write .. assets / images / image.jpg. Presented by Designers Learn Code.